It looks like we could get a crazy amount of zoom on Samsung devices in the very near future. If you're planning to buy one of the upcoming iPads, you'll have to stick to bezels and Touch ID, and it seems that we will have more than one device from Nokia at MWC, including a punch hole. I'm Jaime Rivera, and I wasn't asking for Monday. Was anybody asking for Monday? Because I wish we could have skipped it. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. Those of you in the market for a lot of storage in an iPad and don't mind the fact that it's kind of old, the 2017 iPad is currently for, well, it's like $489, but that thing about it is it's the 512 gigabyte model. The one that used to cost, well, it was like $1,280. You can learn more about it in the description if you're interested. Now, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy M. The M10 and M20 just became official in India, and usually I won't cover these kinds of phones, but there's a reason why. Number one, specs are decent. Number two, the visuals. I mean, that Infinity V display doesn't look bad at all. Three, the most expensive one retails, I believe, for $189. That's kind of crazy. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about Nokia, as there will be some presence from the company at MWC. There always is, and now we've got teasers of what to expect. On one end, it seems that there will be a successor to the Nokia One, which is their entry level. That's all fine. But then we've got another teaser where we see a punch hole, and it only makes us wonder if that's going to be the Nokia 9 PureView that now has a different design on the face, because if you remember, the one that we saw had bezels. Let's see in the end what we get, or there could be just a third device. Now, for those of you that are expecting major design changes in iPads going forward, it seems that that's going to stick to the Pro lineup, as there is some information embedded on iOS 12.2 that shows that the displays of these new iPads will remain the same bezels and either Touch ID or a home button. I'm thinking it's going to be Touch ID, but whatever the case may be, stay tuned. And finally, the hot news today have to do with an unexpected twist, as if you remember, Oppo 2 years ago showed us their zoom mechanical technology for 5x optical zoom, the periscopical lens and everything. That was built by a company called Corephotonics, which is an Israeli-based company. And the thing about it is that Samsung just bought the company for $155 million, I believe. And, well, we do have a teaser that we're going to see something from Oppo at MWC, so it makes us wonder what the future of that's going to be, and what the future of Samsung Galaxy phones is going to be now with this technology. Let us know in the comments down below. I mean, what do you think? Do you care about zoom technology on your phone in the future or not? Because, I mean, we've got the variable aperture from Sammy. This makes a lot of sense. Thing about it is we hear that we could get up to 25x zoom digitally, which is crazy, but we would love to know what you think in the comments down below. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. And follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.